Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is to update on the day one trading, the day one results of the 60-day trading challenge which we are running. Today was basically a trending day, so obviously we could easily make money. But the whole point is again, which I'm going to stress, is not about the profits or not about the result of the P&L result. It's all about the consistency, how we will benefit from the rule-based trading. Basically, our trading strategy is a variation of opening range breakout. It is not necessarily opening range. We have some parameters on which we decide which range to be, when it breaks, we will take the trade. Basically, we try to nullify the volatility. So how do we do it? It is, of course, it's a little bit of a detailed strategy where it's a proprietary strategy. So let's not get into the strategy per se, but believe me, it is a well-defined and documented strategy which we are following. So I'll show you the today's logic and not logic, the basically the how we took the entry. So in the morning, we decided that we will be selling the 22,950 put, and this was the payoff graph. Like, of course, here it is a option selling strategy. The maximum profit possibilities, as you see, is 6,941 rupees. Obviously, it is an intraday strategy, so it cannot be that we will be able to gain this much of a thing. And because we are trading the next week option, no, not the current week option. So obviously that is because otherwise today being the expiry day, we would have ended up just paying higher margin to trade in the current week, you know, expiry things due to the additional margins needed on the expiry day, which as per the new regulation which has come into picture now. So just one second. Yeah, so sorry for the interruption. So, but here the logic for the taking the next week is I explained you because of to avoid this margin. On a non-expiry day, that is on the from starting from tomorrow, we will be trading in the same week expiry. So we did. We'll show you the trade at which we entered. So if I go to the orders, if I sort it on the product. Basically, I'm trying to show the MIS. You can ignore the all other trades which we have executed during the day. So basically, this is the 931. Actually, the trade got activated at and the closure of 930 candle. By the time we could pick up the strike price and execute the order, it has taken one and a half minutes. And being a MIS order, we were to close before the 3:15 in the afternoon. So we closed it. We initiated the closure at around 3:40, 3:14. So it has got executed at 3:15. So as you see, we sold it at 94.80 and we covered it at 52.55. So this is the basically the template which will be giving access to everyone, the view only access, where we have said like I have to update the asset, that is the instrument which we sold. The quantity was 75, the entry price is 94.80 as I showed you, and then the exit price is 52, that is we covered it at 52.85, and the trading cost is 58.85, because one may ask what is the trading, how the cost 52.80. See, the buy price is 52.55 and then the sell price is 94.80 and the quantity is one lot which is 75. As you see here, 58.85 is the trading cost, and as you see here, that net of the trading cost 3109 is the profit, and exactly that is what is calculated here. So we are capturing a profit of 3109. So the again initial capital, we have started with a 2 lakh capital, because although the 2 lakh full 2 lakh is not needed, like if you see here 1,72,000 is the margin needed, but maybe it is little higher because it is the end of the day margin you are seeing is 22,950, since the price has come down, so there can be variation. But if you see here on the sensible in the morning when we created, I've we have kept it the screen as it is available for the people. It is about 1.84 lakhs. So we are just round. We cannot trade exactly with this kind of a precision accurate numbers. There will be drawdowns and other things. It will be actually ideally little over a 2 lakh also is needed. But we have started with a 2 lakh as the initial investment. Of course, when we are executing in a normal way, we also take a hedge for this. We will have a ratio, 1:1 ratio spread, but the one out deep out of the money uh, put also we will buy so that our margin drops to 1 lakh rupees. And even if our profits drops here, since our percentage ROI will be higher in that case. But here we want to keep it simple, so we will not be taking the trades with any hedge because we will be putting a order for the stop loss order. The stop loss order will be like 50% of the premium. So since we had sold at 94.80, we had put a stop loss order. There will be a cancelled order. You see somewhere here. No, we modified it, so it is not. The order was not cancelled, so it is modified. Hence, there is no track of this. We were we had placed a 50% margin. See, we had calculated it also 94.80 multiplied by 1.5. So 142.20 was our stop loss order. And if you see the chart over here, this is the option chart. We had put the horizontal line is the roughly the our stop loss, and it never got like we entered somewhere here on this candle, say around 94 or something like that. This is the second candle of the 15 minutes. Sorry, this is a 10 minutes, so I'll make it as a 15 minutes. So we entered somewhere here in the second candle. And incidentally, as soon as we entered the trade, our premium started going up. And one would have, if it was not a rule-based trading, here people would have panicked. It also crossed above our we had sold it here, and the day high also it crossed. But we were very clear that unless the stop loss hits, we will not be trading coming out. One is the stop loss perspective, and the other one is as per the strategy, there are some other criteria in terms of the range. If a new range gets created and the breakout happens at the opposite side, also we will exit. So here, after that, constantly it started falling throughout the day, and this is not a common phenomenon, on every day. So there will be like a whipsaws, more whipsaws like here, and we may not get to see this kind of a deep decay. So we will may get as marginal profits, if it goes in our favor. But today being the trending day, it helped us to capture a good amount of profit. So the link to view only link for this particular file will be provided in the video description. And that's all for now. Then thank you so much. Please join us for the second day update, which we'll be posting tomorrow. Thank you for now. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.